in the app Def Squid, when you first turn it on, so it's going to look like this, and then you scroll over to Def Squid, and you want to do something called Booster. Booster is what it goes to. Basically, whenever you install a new app on your phone, you can just hit yes to everything. It's going to ask permission. Basically, it clears what it says, residual junk remover. Because whenever you install a new app or an update, sometimes it leaves what's called APK files and residual information that you don't necessarily need. You needed it to install it, but after that, you don't need it anymore. So your device saves that information. You want to clear it out as best possible. So it's every now and then, every 1 month, 6 months, even a year, just run a booster. And obviously I ran this before I recorded this video, so it's got 0 optimizations, but sometimes it'll have 4, 6, I've seen 16 before optimizations. So it's always a good idea to run this booster using Def Squid. You don't have to worry about malware scan because most likely it's going to flag something that you put on there. So it's going to flag a couple of apps. Don't worry about it. Privacy test, you don't have to worry about. And then of course, device, you don't have to worry about that either. Basically, the main ones you want to worry about is manager, booster, and speed test, but pretty much really just manager. Just manage all. Don't worry about speed tests, only if you're having an issue. Booster, once every 6 months, once a year, whatever. But the one you want to do every single day, without a doubt, is manage. And then I'll go over that in another video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this video. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do it now. Hit that like button. The thumbs up, it's right there. You got it. Hit the thumbs up button. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And then subscribe. I'll show you more videos. Hit that. You know how to hit the subscribe? I appreciate you. Hit it. Thank you. You're awesome. Thank you so much.